Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? So today I will be telling you about the second law, quotient law, which I have already explained in my video of laws of exponents where I explained all the 8 laws. And so I will be solving here a few questions of the second law, quotient law, so that you can master them and solve any type of questions in which quotient law is involved. So the second law of exponent is quotient law. A power n divided by a power n. This a power n, when shifted upwards, it will be converted into a negative exponent. It means that m will be written as it is and it will be multiplied, because if we will shift this upward, it will be multiplied with the a power minus n. Because this positive exponent, when shifted upward, it will be converted into negative exponent. So, is equals to a m plus minus n. Now here, the first law is involved, product law, which says that if the bases are same, we can just add the powers. So, if we will put the plus sign in between this m and this minus n, so it will be plus minus minus. So, a m minus n. The formula becomes this thing, a m minus n. Now we are having a few questions of the second law, quotient law. So, x power 6 divided by x power cube. X power 6 will be written as it is. And this x power cube will be shifted upwards, and this plus power, the positive exponent, will be converted into a negative exponent. X 6 plus minus 3. So this plus minus will be minus. X 6 minus 3, which will be x cube. This is the answer of this question. Now the second question we are having is x power 2, we will write it as it is. And this will be shifted upward, so it has a power of minus 8. So when shifted upward, it will be converted into a positive exponent, x power 8. So x power 2 plus 8 will be x power 10. This is the answer of this question. Now we are having the question number 3. 2m power 7 divided by m power 4. 2m power 7 will be written as it is, and m power 4 will be shifted upwards, and this 4 power will be converted into a negative exponent, negative power. So 2m power 7 minus 4. 2m 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the answer of this question. Fourth question we are having is p power 6 q power 4, which is divided by p power 7 q power 3. So, when this will be shifted upwards, this positive powers will be converted into negative powers. So, p power 6 and q power 4 will be written as it is, and it will be multiplied with the p power minus 7 and q power minus 3. So, this, now you can just add the powers because the bases are same. And p power 6 minus 7, q power 4 minus 3. So this will become p power minus 7. And q power 4 minus 3 is 1. So p power minus 7 will be shifted downwards, and it will be converted into a positive exponent. And this q power 1 will remain over here. Q power 1 divided by p power 1. So this is the answer of this question. Now we are having the fifth question for x power 4 and y power 7 divided by 2 x power cube and y power 2. So these constants will be cancelled, 1 and 2. 2x power 4 and y power 7. This will be multiplied with the x power minus 3, because when this will shifted upwards, like I told, that it will be with the negative exponent. So x power minus 3 and y power minus 2. 2x power 4 minus 3 and y 7 minus 2. 2x 4 minus 3 is 1 and y 7 minus 2 is 5. This is the answer of this question. Now the sixth question we are having is 3p cube q² and r power 4 divided by p power 4 q power 3 and r power 2. So 3 will be written as it is, and p power cube, q power square and r power 4 will be written as it is. And here we will put a multiply sign. This dot indicates that we are multiplying the two terms. p power 4, q power cube and r power 2 will be shifted upwards, and these will contain the negative exponents. So p power minus 4, q power minus 3, r power minus 2. So 3p 3 minus 4, q power 2 minus 3 and r power 4 minus 2. So here 3 minus 4. So we are getting -1 over here because always the sign of a bigger number comes with the number -1. Q 2 minus 3 will be -1. Again R 4 minus 2 will be 2. So these two variables with the negative exponent will be shifted downward so that they can be converted into positive exponents. 3 and R square will be written as it is, and we will shift p power -1 downwards, so it will be p power 1 and q power 1. The final answer will be 3r² divided by pq. Now do this question by yourself and give the answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.